Good morning, first graders. Happy Monday. Today we're going to read the morning message, do some of our calendar activities, and then we're going to talk in math about how to compare lengths of things and different items. And we're going to talk about how some can be longer than another item and some can be shorter than other items. So let's get started. Good morning, first graders. Today is Monday. It is April 27th, 2020. Today you will learn how to compare lengths in math. Have a marvelous Monday. Love, Mrs. Rochat. Let's look at our days. Yesterday was Sunday. Today is Monday. Tomorrow will be Tuesday. It is spring. My prediction of the weather would be that it's going to be windy today, and I think sunny. That's just a prediction. My prediction might be right or wrong. So think about your weather prediction and see by looking out the window or going outside to know what the weather is like. Let's sing our money song. A penny is one, a nickel is 5, a dime is 10, and a quarter's 25. All right. In math today, we're going to talk about length. Everybody say length. Good. What do we do to measure length? Usually we use things like rulers that have the numbers on the side. Something like this that helps us know how long it is or how short it is. And sometimes it'll tell us the numbers that help us know how long to make things or draw lines. Sometimes we might use our thumb to measure the distance or the length of something by kind of just, measuring with our thumb, going across the page or going across the item to know how big it is. So when we see the word longer than, what do you think it means? It means an item or something is longer than something else. For example, if you were to look at this car, right? This car is pretty long, but it's longer than this chip clip. I know this car is longer than this chip clip because when I put them side by side, the car is bigger. It's longer than the chip clip. So I know the car is longer than the chip clip. Sometimes we might say shorter than. I can say that the chip clip is shorter than the car. I know this because it's smaller than the car when I put them side by side. If I had another item, let's say this. This is called a guitar clip. Or it's not a clip, a guitar pick. This guitar pick is shorter than the chip clip. I know this because it's smaller. So today, that's what you're going to do. You're going to be able to look at different items, whether those items are around your house or on your worksheet, and you're going to learn how to tell if they are longer than each other or shorter than. It's important to use those words when describing objects and what is longer than another object and what is shorter than another object. So go to your folder, find your packet for today, and let's get started learning about how to compare lengths of things.
Okay, Lesson 1, Compare Lengths. This should be on page 563. Look around your home for 3 items that might fit in boxes A, B, and C. Once you find 3 items that fit in each box, go ahead and draw them the best you can. Try using longer than and shorter than in complete sentences to describe the objects. You could tell a family member, a stuffed animal, or write it in your notebook. You can compare the lengths of objects. The paintbrush is longer than the pencil. The pencil is longer than the tube of paint. Is the tube of paint longer than or shorter than the paintbrush? I notice it's shorter than, so So I'm going to circle that word. And then I'm going to compare the objects and circle the correct answer in problem 1. The pair of glasses is shorter than the marker. The marker is shorter than the picture. Is the picture longer than or shorter than the pair of glasses? Look now and circle your answer. Now it's independent practice time. Compare the objects, circle the correct answer. 2. The crayon is longer than the paper clip. The scissors are longer than the crayon. Is the paper clip longer than or shorter than the scissors? If you look closely, you'll be able to answer that question. Look to see which is longer than or shorter than the paper clip. Then circle your answer below. The eraser is shorter than the glue stick. The glue stick is shorter than the pencil. Is the pencil longer than or shorter than the eraser? Circle your answer. Compare the objects, circle the correct answer. 4. The chalk is shorter than the pen. The paper clip is shorter than the chalk. Is the pen longer than or shorter than the paper clip? Circle your answer. 5. The table is longer than the book. The book is longer than the eraser. Is the eraser longer than or shorter than the table? Explain to a friend and circle your answer. Now you could draw a picture to help you with this one. A marker is longer than a crayon. A crayon is longer than a paper clip. Is the paper clip longer than or shorter than the marker? Explain. You could write, the paper clip is blank than the marker.
All right, hope you learned a lot about how to compare lengths, and you found some things in your house to compare what is longer than and shorter than other things. I will see you tomorrow on Tuesday. Now, boys and girls, I know that we do not have school for the rest of the year and that we're not going to be able to come back to our classrooms. But that doesn't mean that learning stops. We can still learn every day by doing some of the activities in your matrix, or maybe going on Seesaw, reading books from Epic, or reading books that you have in your house. You can always keep learning. So keep watching the videos for the rest of the year, and we'll learn lots together. I wish we were together in the classroom. I miss all of you so very much. But I know that we will see each other again soon. All right, you have a lovely Monday, and I will see you on Tuesday. Bye, boys and girls.